This course does have a few important assumptions and a target audience. First of all, I assume that you have some basic computer skills. I realize that's a vague requirement, and I suspect if you're able to join this course and start watching it, then you are probably computer literate enough for this course. The next requirement is a bit more tricky. You need to be able to install software on your computer, and that normally requires admin rights. This is generally not an issue unless you are on a work computer. That is, your IT department controls the rights to your system. If you are on a personal computer, then you should have admin rights. If you are unsure, just ask a more computer-savvy friend for help. My next assumption is based on my target audience. I assume you need source control, whether or not you realize that fact. The people that need source control would be anyone that creates original, creative assets like programming source code or web design content, which would include freelancers, software developers, programmers, as well as web and graphic designers. Finally, I assume that you have some interest in learning about Git. This could extend beyond the need for source control directly. For example, you could be an IT manager trying to understand why your technical staff wants to use Git for their next project. To get the most out of this course, I recommend following along as much as possible. Use another monitor or device as a second screen while you follow along with the course instructions. And I may go a bit fast at times, so please pause the video between commands or actions to ensure you follow each step exactly. This course provides lots of supplemental materials, including a listing of every command I typed during this course, diagrams and illustrations for many concepts, and source code examples. This course will evolve over time. I may add additional sections or more bonus content to keep the course fresh and to add more value to my students. So check back often. Finally, connect with me on my website, Twitter, Facebook, or my YouTube channel.